Welcome back to Way to Ageless, the channel that explores the secrets of a healthy and vibrant life. Today, we're delving into the captivating world of coffee, from its rich history to the astounding health benefits it offers. So, grab your favorite mug, and let's embark on this aromatic journey. Coffee, scientifically known as coffea, is more than just a caffeinated beverage. It's a tropical plant native to Africa, and it's the seeds of the coffee cherries that we grind, roast, and brew to create the aromatic elixir we love. But coffee's story is as compelling as its flavor. Legend has it that coffee was first discovered by an Ethiopian goat herder named Kaldi, who noticed the energizing effect of the coffee cherries on his goats. From there, the practice of brewing and sharing coffee spread across the world, making it an integral part of cultures and traditions. Now, let's explore the 9 compelling health reasons to savor your next cup of coffee. Antioxidant powerhouse. Coffee is packed with antioxidants that help combat inflammation and protect our cells from damage. Improved cognitive function. Caffeine in coffee can enhance mental alertness and cognitive function, improving concentration and memory. Mood enhancement. Coffee can elevate mood and reduce the risk of depression by stimulating the release of mood-enhancing neurotransmitters. Lower risk of certain diseases. Studies link coffee consumption to a reduced risk of chronic diseases such as type 2 diabetes, Alzheimer's, and Parkinson's disease. Heart health. In moderation, coffee may reduce the risk of heart diseases, heart failure, and stroke. Physical performance. Athletes use coffee as a pre-workout drink because caffeine increases adrenaline production, which mobilizes energy stores. Reduced risk of certain cancers. Coffee consumption has been associated with a lower risk of several types of cancer, including liver and colorectal cancer. Liver health. Coffee can protect the liver from conditions like cirrhosis and liver cancer while improving liver enzyme levels. Longevity. Some studies suggest that coffee drinkers may enjoy a longer life due to its protective effects on overall health. But coffee isn't just for drinking. It has a variety of other uses. Cooking. Coffee grounds can be used in savory dishes and baking to enhance flavor. Body scrub. Coffee grounds make a great natural exfoliant, promoting smooth skin and better blood circulation. Deodorizer. Coffee's natural scent can absorb and neutralize odors in your home. Fertilizer. Coffee grounds are rich in nutrients and can be used as a natural fertilizer for plants. While coffee offers a plethora of benefits, it's important to know if you should exercise caution. Pregnant women. It's recommended that pregnant women limit caffeine intake to avoid complications. Anxiety and sleep disorders. High caffeine consumption can worsen anxiety and disrupt sleep patterns. Heart conditions. If you have heart problems, consult your healthcare provider before increasing caffeine intake. When it comes to dosage, here's what you need to know. The ideal dosage varies, but most adults can safely consume up to 400 milligrams of caffeine per day, which is roughly equivalent to 4 cups of brewed coffee. Adjust your consumption according to your sensitivity to caffeine. Now that we've explored the incredible world of coffee, let's take it a step further with a delightful coffee recipe that's not only delicious but also perfect for those warmer days. Iced caramel macchiato, a blend of coffee and caramel that's both refreshing and sweet. Brew a shot of espresso and let it cool. Add ice cubes to a glass and drizzle caramel syrup over them. Gently pour the espresso over the ice and caramel. Froth or steam your milk and pour it over the espresso, creating a macchiato effect. Top with whipped cream and an extra drizzle of caramel syrup if desired. Stir and enjoy your iced caramel macchiato. Coffee, with its rich history and diverse uses, isn't just a morning ritual. It's a complex and beloved beverage that enhances mental clarity, mood, and overall well-being. So, whether you're sipping a cup at your favorite cafe or brewing it at home, raise your mug to the remarkable elixir that is coffee. Thank you for joining us today on Way to Ageless. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more age-defying secrets and health tips. Stay vibrant, stay ageless, and until next time, sip wisely.